All right, so yesterday you guys may have seen me do an unboxing of the silver Garmin Fenix 6X Pro Solar, and luckily I actually found the black one in stock at Best Buy, which also kind of talk about why I kind of went with the black one. I had the black, I like the black, on the Fenix 5X, and I kind of not a big fan after wearing the silver, for a day. It's just really bright. I don't work in a business setting, so I wanted a titanium band for kind of nicer stuff, but I do like the black. And with Best Buy, the polar screen not being sapphire, a lot of people are worried about, oh, how's it going to hold up? For $64.99, I have the warranty on it now, so I'm covered if I crack it or break it. So let's go ahead and get into this and just do the quick unboxing, just so you guys can see it. It's going to look obviously a lot smaller, and compared to the box that we did yesterday, we'll do that too. So let me go ahead and get into this, and let's go. All right, and just real quick, yesterday I kind of mentioned how big this box was, pretty much because of the titanium band, just so you can see the difference in that 6X titanium silver to this. This is the normal size box, even the Fenix 5X. I think even the 3, I can't remember. They all came in those boxes. But yeah, so that's the size difference. So let's go ahead and open that. All right. So again, you're probably looking at pretty much the same thing. So this is just more of a video just to kind of show it off. I'm not going to get too crazy here. But while we do open it, so this is going to come with the black band compared to that orange, which is kind of gaudy. Again, not knocking the band. Now, I will throw this out there. These ribs, super great fit. Keeps it real tight. And also with the titanium, I went for a run last night. I did 4 miles. So compared to the loose band, it does slip a little more, and this just felt tight. It felt light. Very satisfied, which is kind of why I also went to get with the color that I really like, because honestly, I'll probably end up keeping this and just go with this, especially now I got the warranty. So we'll set the watch down. Put the box here. Get the last little bit just so you can see what comes in the box. A charge cord, and then we gotta break into this, or you just dump out. There's that. So we got the little fat instruction booklet, little instructions, some warranty information. But yeah, that's that. So that's the box of that. Again, so there's the dark gray, that black look, and there's the silver. So you can kind of see those comparisons. All right, let's pop that out here. Get this open, and just to show you, this one's I've had for 2 years, so fresh out the box. Compared to 2 years, honestly, it's held up pretty well. That bezel is held up pretty well. Yeah, it's got some dings on it, but like I said, I am pretty rough. Yeah, so there's that. Okay, flip these over, check it out. 6X Pro. Okay. And just a solar silver. Actually, really, what turns me off most about this is honestly that gray. That gray kind of in between the bezel where the buttons are. It's kind of really just stick up. But that's that. All right, so like I said, again, this isn't like my review. I'm gonna post another follow-up video, but just to kind of tell you, like I said, I ran on it yesterday. You can actually see last run, bang, there it is. So I ran on it yesterday. You see, I was listening to music. I currently work Rihanna from Spotify. Very happy compared to my previous video. A lot of you guys don't like to hear negative stuff, but I used my Beats Wireless Pros with this watch, and I ran, and let me tell you, I didn't have any kind of issue, any kind of stutter. The only time like if I stopped, like say I was saving or if I was lapping, it kind of may have just like a little, like not perfect, but it wasn't like interrupted. And then during the run, I never had any fade out. So when your hands are moving, up or high or lower, the previous ones, the Bluetooth sensor is probably a lot stronger in this. And with the Beats Wireless Pro, they worked perfectly. I don't want to get too much into it, but so stay tuned for that. But I mean, I love this thing, honestly. The weight of it compared to the previous weight was excellent. So that just shows that. So I'm very excited to wear the black one, and it's going to probably go along. I like this ribs. I was wearing the green one until I took it off, and I put it back on the Fenix 5X. But yeah, it's definitely like, it's a good feel. It feels weird at first, but then like it's a tight fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing on me, get it working, and I will probably post another update here in a few days and let you guys know what I think. Appreciate it. Be sure to like and subscribe, If you like and want to stay tuned, leave a comment. I'll try to answer the questions my best. Thanks, guys.